Good morning, everyone. I am Praful Gazre, your host for the day. I welcome you all to the fifth Responsible Netizen National Cyber Psychology Virtual Conference on Coping with Technology NEP 2020 and New Normal. With the new changes in the space of education through the NEP 20 and inclusion of technology as a facilitator of education, are we ready to embrace the new normal? Responsible Netism 5th National Cyber Psychology Virtual Conference 2021 would effectively use the power of technology to brainstorm on critical issues children and educators have faced while adapting the technology. Here, I take the opportunity to introduce to our first line.
Praful is muted. Praful has been muted.
She is the founder of Responsible Netism and President Ahan Foundation. We also have Mr. Purnendu Kumar from Cyber Peace Foundation. May I request for the lighting of the lamp, please? We also have Mr. Satej Patil, Sri Satej Patil, Minister of State for Home and IT for Government of Maharashtra. He has supported us in the last conference too. He is very proactive, highly encouraging and supportive of our work. We also have one of our eminent guests for the day, retired Lieutenant General Dr. Rajesh Pant, Chief National Cyber Security Coordinator, Government of India. He is a very approachable and tech-savvy person. His role in the current profile would bring in hope in space of cyber security, especially towards child online protection. We look forward to working under his guidance. I request Mr. Satej Patil to declare the conference is open and give his speech, please. Mr. Satej Patil, over to you.
Good morning, everyone. I wouldn't take much of your time by taking everybody's mentioning everybody, but I should mention Rajesh Panji because he's been the key holder in these issues. Welcome everybody on this conference, and I'm thankful to Unmesh ji and his Responsible Netism organization for inviting me on this fifth conference. As we all know, these issues related to which the conference is being held, and I'm happy that the issue is being discussed at length and given importance, because as we all know, the penetration of internet has increased tenfolds in our country and worldwide. As we know, the estimates of smartphone being used is more than 50 crores, and it would cross more than 80 crores in 2022. Considering this background, the challenges which we face, and in that regard, in that respect, we should update ourselves and we should be ready to face these challenges. That's what I feel, because the access of information is at a click to everybody. And as we see, the optics of internet is changing day and day by, and the rural areas also are getting a great network in it, and people are more using internet for many purposes. And as government also, we are on all internet platforms trying to do many things in this regard. So I think this conference will certainly help many issues. As we have seen in this pandemic also, depression, anxiety and isolation had created many mental illness. Probably if 4-5 years back, if we had talked about mental illness, probably people would shy to talk about it. But now we see that everybody is coming forward and talking about these experiences regarding the mental illness. And it is truth. The screen time which is being consumed by everybody, I wouldn't say only youngsters, this mental illness or the depression, anxiety, these issues are concerned with across the age because of the screen time usage overall, if we see. So I think for our future, this will be a challenging issue for everybody to tackle this issue. Because as we see, I am handling information technology department as well as home department also. And we have seen 2015 we had only 2015 we had only 2015 crimes registered in cybercrime. But in 2019, we had around more than 4,500 crimes officially registered at the police station. And if we see from January to July this month, what June 2020 we are talking about, it's more than 3,000 crimes which have been registered. So that gives a clear picture of what is the scenario on ground. I feel we as a stakeholders from all aspects need to cater to these things and deliver what we can do. As a home department, we have created our own cyber cell. We have created every cyber police station, one cyber police station in every district. We have trained more than 1,000 police personnel to look into these issues. Because as we see, trolling and on child pornography, a lot many issues are there which all of us know are coming forward. And in this era, I think as a home department also, we are trying our level best to train our people in these aspects. Now we are getting lot many learned constables in this fraternity. So we are trying to see that these people can be given special jobs in this regard to cybercrime. And as I said, more than 1,000 people have been trained across Maharashtra to have to study the laws which can be implemented in all these issues. As we see that fake news has become a big challenge for a country like ours, which is a secular country, which believes in brotherhood. But I think fake news is a biggest challenge for everybody. And as we know, lie moves faster. The speed of lie is faster than the truth, I think. So probably we have to counter this. And at the same time, as we see, our eminent speakers would be talking on lot many issues today. I hope the audience will also get to know more things. But I think Unmesh ji and Sonali ji are fighting this battle. I think I will say this battle because probably it's not on the ground that there's a battle with arms and ammunitions, but it's a thought battle. What would I say? That y'all are fighting against the odds which are in the which are prevailing in the society. And I'm very much worried that this will be a new I think threat to everybody. I always tell in my speech, Pansab, that your age you had less things to do or to anything you wanted to do. It was just going out, eating food was a diversion. But today in 20th century, at one click, you will get to have 1 lakh good and bad things to see. So now is the challenge that how we take these youngsters, keep them motivated, see they don't go on the wrong path. And probably government, NGOs like Responsible Netism have been associated with this NGO for quite some time. And the best part is that I have met them on social media. So the importance of social media, we can see. I met them on Twitter, and then I got quite acquainted with these NGO. They have worked in Kolhapur also. They have given some programs for our teachers also in Kolhapur, and they have been always trying to do good in this regard. And we have been trying to help them as much as we can. Probably this fifth conference will certainly help out the problems coming in near future in this regard in the cyber world. I would say cyber world because all these problems are related to the cyber world. Probably we all have to come together and keep this going. Continuously going, we'll have to do it. Probably last time I talked with Unmesh ji that this subject should be taught in the classes, I think. Now we need to, Rajesh Panji will be able to elaborate more on it because he's working national level. So lot many issues he must be getting to know more than all of us. I think now we have to incorporate these things in the syllabus. That is what I feel. because considering the pandemic, we have seen online education has become the new norm. We don't know till how much time this COVID pandemic is going to continue. And considering the future also, work from home has become a new norm. And considering all this, the technology driven lifestyle which everybody is taking, which everybody is adopting, we need to see we need to come up with solutions for this, so that we can have an healthy and safe environment on the internet also, and so that the suicides which we talked about, which if we see the WHO figures, more suicides are there than more at any other crime or war. So what is the reason behind this? Are they not happy, or these things are making them frustrated? We have seen cases. I have seen myself. I was home minister previously also for 4 years, and this time also I'm having this opportunity. But I can see lot many issues like social media. They put up some things. As I said, fake news has become a norm now. It's like somebody gives a fake news, sends a fake WhatsApp. They are proud about it, that they have sent something disturbing, they have sent something misleading, and people are forwarding my fake news. That is that is giving them happiness, which is wrong. So I think mental illness or mental stability, we should focus on that. And if we can focus it at the early age of school going, I have got cases which I won't want to discuss openly, but cases from school where the parents have given the mobile to that child, and they don't know what has happened to the child, what access he's accessing on the internet. So all these issues, I think, when we say we need to reach internet to every corner of this state or the country, at the same time, what are the challenges from the internet? What are the good and bad things which are coming out of it? That needs to be focused, I think. And responsible netism, I think that is a great initiative by these people. I appreciate them, and I'm very much happy that somebody is doing this and letting our future, probably securing the future of the youngsters in this state of Maharashtra and India. So I congratulate on the 5th conference of responsible netism. Wish you all the best, all the eminent speakers in this gathering. I would have loved to be there whole day, but as we know, we are just coming out of the pandemic, and past 6 months we have been literally stalled. The government has literally stalled. So probably the work has started past 15-20 days. We have been working quite hard, but still, I would request Unmeshji that whatever the eminent speakers have spoke in the day, if you could make a brief note of it and send me, I would love to go through it and implement. If there are any suggestions which need to be implemented in the state of Maharashtra, because IT department is with me and home department is with me. So through these both departments, if we can work out something and give a model from the state of Maharashtra to the country, I would be more than happy to do it. So as a state of Maharashtra is always been progressive in this regard. So we would come forward, and whatever the conclusions of this conclave will certainly help the country in large, and we will go forward and implement the suggestions which come up in today's conference. Thank you very much once again for inviting me, and wish you all the best. Rajeshji, nice meeting you. Prafulji, because I can see only 3 of you on the screen, Sonaliji. So wish you all the best for this conference. Thank you very much.